Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the video player size on YouTube. At first, play any video on YouTube. Now, click anywhere on the video to display the playback controls. If you hover over the mouse to the bottom right corner of the video player, you can find an icon called full screen. Click on it to watch the video in full screen mode. Click on it again to exit the full screen mode. Next to the full screen mode, you can find theater screen mode. Click on it. As you can see, theater screen mode is turned on. Click on it again to switch back to default mode. Next to the theater screen mode, you can find the mini player mode. You can use this mode to watch videos in mini player alongside navigating around YouTube. Click the expand button in the mini player to switch back to default mode. This is how you can change the video player size on YouTube. Thank you for watching.